There's a very personal set of consequences in clinical research as well, and that has to do with the possibility of needing to relocate to a trial site. I think we really try to have diverse trial locations, but with very small patient populations and very small patient trial numbers. I mean, oftentimes a phase 1-2 study in a rare genetic disease, you could be looking at only 12, 15, 20 people. So you're not going to be able to have 20 clinical trial sites because of the way trials are managed and data is managed. You really want to consolidate where your sites are. So relocation is very common. Impact on siblings, if you have other siblings that you need to care for. Obviously, if you're married or have a partner, there's stress that goes along with this. So that's why we always sort of say these are family decisions. These are not individual decisions. And again, I think there's sort of step one is, am I able to commit to what this trial needs? Am I eligible for the trial? Obviously, and I do think, one tip and piece of advice I have is a lot of times people will debate these personal aspects of trial participation before they even know if they might be eligible. And there is a lot of emotional capital that goes into having these family conversations about, could we move to this other state? What would we do with our younger child? Sometimes it's even about pets. How are we going to manage, somebody caring for our pet? And my suggestion is, before you really spend time on that aspect and sort of set of questions, understand if you're an eligible trial participant. And if you are, then you want to spend the right time. And the other piece of that is, if you find out you are eligible and it's something you want to consider, you'll then be able to access more information about what may be able to be done to support families who participate. So you want to operate with the most full set of facts and the most information possible when you start navigating these very personal consequences of being in research. So I really try to advise people this is a process, and you really don't want to jump to step 3 until you've crossed step 1 and step 2, because I do find that there's so much emotion, so much anxiety, so much just general decision making and everything that goes into making these big decisions, that you want to just do it in that stepwise fashion to kind of keep yourselves sane and avoid all these emotional decisions and just contemplating how life could change if you participate unnecessarily.